Hi. How you doing? Ah! Off me! See that counter move? I'm trained. I am. Ninja skills. I actually watched ninja training videos. Basically, this is one thing that we do to wake up in the mornings. I'm not tired anymore. My adrenaline is actually running very high. So I'm ready to kick in some drywall. What the mold kind of is like. This is what we're dealing with as far as mold. It's a pretty green. Real pretty. That's all coming up from the floorboard, so. Your voice, 'cause it's been a long.
on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. And I know it's hard when you're falling down, and it's a long way up, and you make your round, but get up now, get up, get up now. And I know it's hard when you're falling down, and it's a long way up, and you make your round, but get up now, get up, get up now. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the earth. I've been waiting this long, hey. Only there for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Dreaming of this with you, I'm on top of the world.
Okay, so we're at another house that the Ohio team's at. This is the second half of our day, so we're gonna knock and see what's going on.
Hi, Rock City! It's Rock City! Rock City, come on in! This is our home for the day.
Daily home.
It would be easier
And
just
this was a fully complete room before we came in and tore it up a little bit. But
simply something that I once read. A belief needing my defense. And it would be easier if you were something I once knew. A hope just to hold on to. But you're holding out your hands. 'Cause you came to take us back to the start. You came to touch the hardness of our hearts. You gave us truth. The truth is who you are, it's who you are. And it's not enough to just say I believe. 'Cause truth is that talk is cheap. So grace, give me eyes to see. That you came to take us back to the start. You came to touch the hardness of our hearts. You gave us truth. The truth is who you are, it's who you are. It's who you are. Flesh and blood, you offer us. Oh, to eat the bread and drink the cup.
Look at this guy.
Oh, to taste, to see, to feel.
Man's work right there. That goes hard to paint.
Emmanuel, God with us. Emmanuel, God with us.
Hey, so this is our last day here on the trip, and we just want to thank Samaritans Purse for letting us be here and being so hospitable. Had a lot of great memories, met a lot of cool people, and we're just very thankful that we were here. Rock City gave us the opportunity to come and serve the Samaritans Purse to this Hurricane Sandy relief trip.
Just wanted to second that. Thank you, Rock City, very much for giving us a chance to come out here and assist with Samaritans Purse. It's been a fantastic opportunity. The people we've met